Albert Cash Advance is a financial tool designed to provide short-term loans with minimal requirements. In 2025, the app has introduced faster approvals, higher limits, and improved user security. This review explores its features, eligibility criteria, and how it compares to competitors. The app targets users needing quick cash for emergencies, offering advances up to $250 without mandatory credit checks. Its AI-driven platform analyzes income and spending habits to approve loans instantly. With no hidden fees, Albert remains a top choice for borrowers avoiding traditional lenders. This chapter sets the stage for a detailed breakdown of Albert's 2025 updates. We'll cover how to qualify, repayment terms, and real user experiences to help you decide if it's the right solution for urgent financial needs. Albert's process starts with downloading the app and linking a bank account. The system scans transaction history to determine eligibility, focusing on income stability rather than credit scores. Approval takes minutes, with funds deposited as fast as 2 to 3 hours. Unlike traditional payday loans, Albert doesn't charge interest. Instead, users tip what they can afford, making it a flexible option. The app also offers budgeting tools to help borrowers avoid repeat advances, promoting better financial habits. This no-frills approach appeals to gig workers and freelancers with irregular incomes. However, limits are lower than some competitors, up to $250, so it's best for small, immediate needs like bills or car repairs. To qualify, users must be 18 plus, have a steady income source, even side hustles, and a bank account older than 60 days. Albert no longer requires a minimum credit score, prioritizing banking behavior over past financial mistakes. The app uses algorithms to verify income deposits, rejecting applicants with frequent overdrafts or unstable cash flow. Part-time workers and freelancers often succeed if they show consistent earnings. State restrictions apply. Albert isn't available in Iowa or West Virginia. While approvals are lenient, repeat borrowers must wait 30 days between advances. This policy prevents dependency, aligning with Albert's mission to encourage responsible borrowing. Pros: no credit checks, instant approvals, and no interest fees. The tipping model fosters transparency, and the app's budgeting tools help users avoid future debt. Funds arrive faster than most competitors, under 4 hours. Cons: low maximum advance $250, limited state availability, and eligibility hurdles for those with erratic income. Tips can feel obligatory, pressuring users to pay more than expected. For 2025, Albert added fraud protection and 24/7 customer support. However, alternatives like Earnin or Dave offer higher limits, making Albert better suited for smaller, one-time emergencies. 2025 reviews praise Albert's speed and simplicity, with many users calling it a lifesaver for unexpected bills. Complaints focus on low limits and occasional delays with bank verification. Trustpilot ratings average 4.3/5, highlighting responsive support and ease of use. Negative feedback often stems from misunderstood eligibility rules, like rejected applicants unaware of the 60-day bank account requirement. Despite minor flaws, Albert maintains loyalty by avoiding predatory practices. Users appreciate the lack of hidden fees, even if tips add to costs. Earnin offers higher advances up to $750, but requires time, sheet uploads for hourly workers. Dave provides $500 limits with a $1 monthly membership fee, ideal for larger needs. Bridget focuses on credit building, but charges subscription fees. Albert's edge lies in its no-interest model and instant approvals. However, if you need more cash or live in a restricted state, explore alternatives. Always compare fees, speed, and eligibility before choosing. Download the app, create an account, and link your bank. Albert analyzes 60 days of transactions to confirm income stability. If approved, select your advance amount up to $250 and choose a repayment date. Avoid common mistakes. Ensure your bank account meets the age requirement and double-check income deposits. Use a reliable internet connection to prevent glitches during verification. Once confirmed, funds arrive in hours. Repayment auto-deducts on your next payday, but you can extend the due date once for a small fee. Approvals take 2 to 15 minutes if banking data is clear. Delays occur if transactions are inconsistent or the app detects suspicious activity. After approval, 90% of users receive funds within 3 hours. Weekend requests may take longer as banks process deposits on weekdays. Albert partners with Evolve Bank and Trust, ensuring secure transfers. Enable notifications to track your advance in real time. Repayment is automatic, withdrawing the advance plus your chosen tip from your linked account. Missing payments incurs no fees, but access to future advances is blocked until resolved. To avoid issues, update your income details if your job changes. Contact support immediately if repayment fails. Albert offers a 3-day grace period. Use the app's budgeting features to ensure funds are available on the due date. Is Albert worth it in 2025? Albert excels for small, urgent cash needs with no interest or credit checks. Its 2025 updates make it faster and safer, though limits remain low. Ideal for gig workers or those rebuilding credit. Avoid if you need over $250 or live in restricted states. For transparency and speed, Albert outshines many competitors. Always borrow responsibly and explore alternatives for larger expenses. Need cash fast? Click the link below to download Albert and get your advance today.